Welcome back. Goa for Dabolim Only is totally against CM's offer of shifting Navy base to Mopa and retaining Dabolim as a complete civilian airport. Goa for Dabolim says there is no point in shifting Navy base to Mopa as it will not help moopkaars in any way. They have revealed that only 7 people out of 1,000 have given NOC for acquiring land at Mopa. Meanwhile, independent MLA Vijay Sardesai feels that government will drag the Mopa issue till the Lok Sabha poll and never scrap it.
Goans for Dabolim Only feel that there is absolutely no need for haste on the airport issue because, number one, new terminal will boost Dabolim capacity from 3.5 million.
Navy tuingelli naka to zago Navy dillo naka tuin Navy dillo कसलो development करून सुद्धा परेकार आमका जाय त्या लोकांचो development आणि आम्ही सांगला कसलो development तो sustainable development eco friendly development and that development will generate jobs for the local people
जे आता बिरांत जे असतात जे वोट जे असतात ते ओपनली उलयतात पण बाकीचे जे बिरांतीन रावतात त्यांच्या उलोवपा जायना पण ते आमकां खबर आहा की तांकां ती जमीन दिवपा नाका आनी तुमकां ताजो एविडन्स जाय जाल्यार तुमी गव्हर्नमेंटचे पोजेशन जे घेवपाक ट्राय करतात ते तुमी डॉक्युमेंट्स लँड एक्विजिशन ऑफिसराचे पळयात आनी तातूंत हजारांनी लोकांक सिग्नेचर जाय तांकां पोजेशना लागून सो कितले लोकांनी सायन केलां तें पळयात सो तुमकां कळटलें की टोटल फक्त 7 जाणांनी सायन केल्यात आनी तातले फक्त 2 जाणांनी विदाउट प्रोटेस्ट
पर्रीकारान जे पयर स्टेटहूड डेक अनाउन्समेंट केला तो यू टर्न सो दिसना इट इज जस्ट अ ट्विस्ट एंड अ ट्विस्ट वीच इज अ क्रुकेट ट्विस्ट तातूंत ताजो हेतू असो आहा की तो आनी ताजे लॉयल सोल्जर ह्या दिसांनी लॉयल सोल्जर ताजी अलिना ते बोथ डिमांड द इम्पॉसिबल पर्रीकार म्हणटा की नेवी काडून मोपा व्हरची अलिना म्हणटा की नेवीची ती ओनरशिपूच ऑफ दॅट एअरपोर्ट इज इन डिस्प्यूट आतां दीज आर इश्यूज वीच आर अनसॉल्वेबल म्हाका दिसता की हो सरकार फक्त 2014 लोकसभा इलेक्शन मेरेन हो इश्यू पोस्टपोन करूंक सोदता गोंयचे जनतेक फटोवंक सोदता इश्यू लोकांक मोपा नाका आनी वन हेज टू टॉक अबाउट improving the Dabolim airport by talking to the Navy.
With the first showers of rain, there was much damage to property in North Goa. Trees were uprooted at many places. Some trees were uprooted on the roads, blocking regular traffic. First gush of rain also clogged many drains in Panji city. Monsoon is expected in time on Goa.
Come 1st June and downpour of heavy rainfall. Many places in the state were seen drenched. A mango tree was uprooted in Pede Mapsa. It destroyed the house and property of Pawar family. Luckily, none was hurt in the incident.
आम्ही भटकरेगांक रावताले आनी आमच्या घरांतले वारो बी येयलो भयंक वारो येयलो आनी त्या वाराची झाड आंब्याचे झाड पडले देगे आसलेले मांवान म्हाजो चेडो आसलो तो दुसरे कडेन गेल्लो तेन्ना हांव हांगा आसलो तेन्ना बारीक ते झाड पडले आमी भायर येयले भायर येयले कमले घर कमले आमचे मोडले कमले नळे फुटले चिरी झाडां मोडले कमीत कमी 1 लाखाची आले आमची मागीर भुरगे ते सगळे भुरगे येयले मागीर भायर येयले मागीर हे येयले मेवून येयले चादर येयले आनी मागीर आमी भायर कडे कळयले आनी ते थंय गेले आनी ते आमी मातशें म्हाजे भारी करून भायर काडले आनी ते सांगले आमी
तुमकां कांय सांगलें
आमकां आनी आमकां कोणाक कांय ते मनीस आनी कांय सांगना आमी सगळे बरे आहा पूण घराचें नुकसान जालें.
Meanwhile, mango trees were uprooted on Shioli Road on Saturday. Another tree got uprooted at Mapsa police station. Pre-monsoon work in Panji is in full swing even during monsoon, but capital was flooded on the first day of monsoon. CCP workers were engaged in clearing the road. Branches of trees were seen blocking the road in the city. CCP failed to chop the extended branches during summer. Fisher folks criticized CCP for neglecting their complaints on gutter.
सगळे घाण वतीत आसता वयर टॉयलेट आहा ते आनी येवन थोडे दीस चालू जाल्यार परते येवन बंद करता परते तशेंच फुटत आहा आनी मागीर हे फुटले उपरांत हांगा भितर कोण गिराक सराना म्हणजे सामको वाव कसो एक टाकी संडास सदांच ही फुट्टा कशी मागीर तांकां आमी सांगता ते येवन सारके करता 4-4 दिसान परत आसा तशेंच आहा आनी हांगा जायतो लोक मागीर सगळो गुवा भितरच्यान माडून हांगा भितर गिराक सोराना.
Reporters Shyam Sundar Fatte, Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
All the 6 bookies involved in betting racket have been granted bail on Saturday. Counsel for the bookies, Advocate Rajesh Srivastava, said there is no nexus between the match fixing case in Mumbai and the betting racket in Goa. The Judicial Magistrate First Class MAPSA granted bail on 30,000 rupees bond and a surety of the like amount.
In the order of bail that there is no nexus between match fixing case which is registered at Bombay and the Goa betting racket. So the court has granted bail in the sum of rupees 30,000 with 2 sureties in the like amount.
It may be recalled that 6 bookies were arrested by Goa police at Kandoli in betting racket. The police suspected that the bookies might have links with the betting networks in the foreign countries. Goa police said the accused persons are required in police custody to find out their involvement, trace money transactions, and also to find out as to how many more persons are involved in the betting racket. The bookies were granted bail by JMFC MAPSA on Saturday on surety of 30,000 rupees. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.